Hi everyone. Today, let's explore the performance testing of paint protection films, how we verify the quality before it reaches the market. If you're a distributor or wholesaler, you might wonder which tests should a PPF pass before you can confidently sell it to your market. First category are environmental aging tests. The well-known 85/85 test simulates aging under 85 degrees Celsius and 85% humidity. It replicates hot and humid summer conditions to ensure the PPF resists hydrolysis, cracking, and performance loss. This is crucial for markets like the Middle East, Southeast Asia, or South America. Second category are mechanical performance tests. PPF must protect vehicle paint against gravel, stone chips, and daily scratches. Mechanical tests include tensile strength, elongation at break, puncture resistance, and stone chip impact tests. Premium markets value toughness and protection, as these directly impact after-sales satisfaction and repeat sales. Third category, stain and corrosion resistance. PPF faces rain, bird droppings, bug residue, and acid or alkali contaminants daily. Poor coatings lead to stains, dullness, or corrosion marks. Stain and corrosion tests verify if the film maintains gloss and cleanliness over time, critical for urban and premium vehicle markets. Fourth category, weathering and durability. PPF is a long-lasting product and must withstand years of sun, rain, and temperature changes. Tests include thermal cycling, UV-accelerated aging, yellowing resistance, and hydrolysis. These ensure the PPF remains stable, glossy, and clear across global market conditions. Category 5, adhesive and application performance. Adhesive performance directly affects installation and after-sales. Key tests include initial tack, holding adhesion, and peel strength. High-quality adhesive means smoother installation, minimal edge lift, clean removal, and paint safety. Conclusion and market value. Passing these tests ensures PPF offers reliable paint protection, long-term visual performance, lower after-sales risk for distributors. For distributors, this means higher customer satisfaction and repeat sales while building a more professional and competitive market presence. If you want more insights into PPF selection, performance testing, and global market trends, follow us for professional knowledge and industry tips.